Whiskey 4, November Delta Kilo, W4 NDK, Whiskey 4, November Delta Kilo, pedestrian.
Okay, I think the pedestrian was a Whiskey 4.
November Delta Kilo, NDK. November Delta Kilo. That is the suffix. Well, you had the front of it earlier. You had the front of it already. Whiskey 4, Whiskey 4, Whiskey 4.
Whiskey Delta Kilo, Charlie. 4, November Delta Kilo, pedestrian mobile. I'll give you a 3-3 into the park.
Okay, thank you for the 3-3. You're a 5-5 on 14-320. And what is your park and what's your call sign, please?
Whiskey 8, Delta Kilo, Charlie. America, United Victor. Bravo 9, America, United Victor. Park number Kilo 1018. 1018. QSL.
Okay, I got the Whiskey Bravo 9, America Mike Victor. QSL?
8, Delta Kilo, Charlie. America, United Victor, yes. QSL.
Okay, thanks for the contact. Thanks for picking up the pedestrian mobile QRP and have fun. 73.
QSL, what state are you in?
I'm in North Carolina. How about you?
North Carolina, I am in Southern Illinois. Southern Illinois, QSL.
QSL. Well, don't get too cold up there, and thanks for picking me up.